Little cool guy. A nice bass right there. We are out here today, back at Thompson Public Fishing Area, and feeling like we can get on a few bass. So we want a few bass or brim today. So we're gonna get out here and try it and see what we can come up with. Don't have my glasses. I was hoping to find some beds, but I don't have my glasses, so it's gonna be kind of hard if we find one. But if we find some, we'll get the camera out and if we do find a few beds, we'll try to get the camera out and stick it on there. Hopefully we can find some. So one of the biggest things out here, this place is very high pressure. So dang, I had one. I had a bass. He probably wasn't that big, but it was a bass, man. So I can kind of tell that these bass are moving up on the edge, and that's kind of where I had that one hit at. So I like to fish this place a little better earlier in the week. Today's a Friday, my first day off, so that's the first opportunity I got to come out here. But on Monday or Tuesday, man, it's kind of better. Not as many people, but it's starting to get crowded right now, so to be a lot of people out here at this point, so we're just gonna make it that much harder, really. It's just gonna make it that much harder for us today. But we got one. Dang, he got off. He got off again. Oh, we actually on a different side of the pond now, and it's pretty windy over here, but I think we can actually come up with something out here, so we're gonna give it a try and see what we can do. It's a little more windy over here, but probably can get on one or two today out here, so let's give this a try and see what we can do. Alright, so we have dipping glow chartreuse, so it's the garlic flavor, and we're gonna dip. We're actually gonna dip our bait in there. Let's dip the fluke in. Alright, so we got our fluke dipped in chartreuse garlic, so and got a heavy weight on, so now we're gonna go around it. Pretty much I'm gonna throw this about the rest of the day in. Little guy. Little bass, ain't nothing. Nothing worth something, rather. Little cool guy. Nothing big, but we'll take it. Get that guy back in the water, and so we see what we can catch him on now. All it took was a small adjustment. We got our first bass of the day, so try to keep it going and get a few more, man. We came to this side of the pond, got a little more grass, and I see where a lot of bass have already spawned out, so I'm not sure where that leads us for today, but we'll try and fish around the edges where these bass should be sitting. I feel like a lot of these bass are gonna be sitting on this grass edge and stuff. Trying to protect those fry, so. Got one. Got a good bass right there. Definitely gonna be 12 inches. That's a nice bass right there. Really nice. Really believe this one's gonna make 12, so we'll pull out the scale and see what he does. Wasn't going to keep any fish today, but one of them guys want this little guy. I'll let them keep it and, you know, put some food on the table. So I'm gonna see if one of those guys want this bass after I measure it. And it's 13. Oh, a little over 13. See if one of these guys want this fish or not. If not, we'll throw him back. He 13 inches, so he'll keep. I say he's 13 inches, so it's a keeper. Yeah. All right. If I get another one, I'll bring him up to y'all and see if y'all want him. All right, no problem. See if we can get a few more, man. I knew that was gonna be a fish. I felt like that was gonna be one of them. Ended up catching one, so. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. I know it's a short video, but we only ended up with 2 fish, and once the wind got up, it got a little tough, but I ended up managing to catch those 2 bass. Weren't no really big bass. The one was 13. It was pretty nice bass, so can't complain. I didn't get skunked today, so that's another good thing. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, smash the like button, and drop a comment down below, man. Just want to say thank you guys again for clicking this video. And like your boy always say, ain't no living like the country living. Let's go!